you struggling with emotional eating? Do you find that you're turning to food now more than ever when feeling stressed, anxious, sad, lonely, or frustrated? Hi, I'm Bonnie Giller, registered dietitian nutritionist and certified intuitive eating counselor, and I help chronic dieters and emotional eaters break the spell of diets so they can make peace with food and really live their lives to the fullest. If you're experiencing an increase in emotional and comfort eating during this unprecedented time now that we are living in, please know that you are not alone. And I would love to invite you to a workshop that I will be holding the week of May 11th. So it's a 5-day free workshop. Once you sign up, you will receive daily emails and you will learn about my 6 P's to ending emotional eating. We will have a private community of women that are participating so that we can support each other. There will be daily live trainings, there will be videos, laser coaching, and of course, prizes. I love to give away prizes for participation. So if you're interested, please consider to join us in this 5-day How to Triumph Over Emotional Eating free workshop, Monday, May 11th through Friday, May 15th. Just enter your name and email in the link below and let's get started. Once you receive the welcome email, click to join the Facebook group because we're going to get started even before the workshop begins with getting to know each other, finding accountability buddies, and doing some laser coaching in the Facebook group. So again, if you are struggling with emotional eating, turning to food for comfort, please know you are not alone. And yes, you can overcome. You can triumph. You can understand the real reasons you're eating and what you need to do instead. Okay, please join How to Triumph Over Emotional Eating 5-day free workshop, Monday, May 11th through Friday, May 15th. Just pop your name and email in, and I hope to see you in the workshop. And feel free to share this with anybody that you think can benefit. I will see you soon.